North Huron Fire Wingham Station, please respond. 17 Bristol Terrace at Community Living for a Zone 2 fire alarm. Keyholes are pending. That's 17 Bristol Terrace at Community Living for an alarm. Time for page is 12:45:02. Attention North Huron Fire Wingham Station, please respond. 17 Bristol Terrace at Community Living for a Zone 2 fire alarm. Keyholes are pending. That's 17 Bristol Terrace at Community Living for an alarm. Time second page is 12:45:52. Wingham Station, please respond.
Fire dispatch, car 3.
Go ahead.
Car 3 acknowledges the page for Wingham Station at 17 Bristol Terrace. And you can also show car 3 responding.
That's Roger. Car 3, you've acknowledged the patient responding 12:46.
Fire dispatch, North Huron car 1.
Go ahead.
Dispatch received an update by phone call. Apparently this alarm's been set off by cooking. We'll still send engine 1 up, code 1 to investigate. Car 3, you can stand down.
Guess you have better information than me. We spoke with the alarm company. They said it was an unknown cause and requested fire attend.
Fire dispatch, you can show car 3 standing down.
Roger, car 3 standing down.
Fire dispatch, North Huron engine 1.
Go ahead.
Engine 1 responding, 17 Bristol Terrace, 4 belt.
Roger, engine 1 responding, 4 belted, 12:50.
Fire dispatch, North Huron engine 1.
Go ahead.
You can show engine 1 on scene, 17 Bristol Terrace, nothing showing. 32 will be command to be mobile, we'll be investigating.
Roger, engine 1 on scene, nothing showing. 32 in command, mobile and investigating. 12:51.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Fire command.
We've met with on-site staff, confirmed it is burnt lunch. We'll be ventilating the structure for them at this time.
That's Roger.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead.
Ventilation completed. Terminating command at this time. Engine 1 returning to Wingham Station.
Roger, ventilation completed. Command terminated. Return to station 13:02.
Fire dispatch, North Huron engine 1.
Unit calling, go ahead.
North Huron engine 1, back and haul, back in service.
That's Roger, engine 1, back haul, back in service 13:09:24. Have a good day.